Hi, I'm Uriah, co-founder and CEO of Cubee, a 3D printing-based commerce platform that is redefining the way digital commerce is done. Demand for 3D printing among small businesses is blowing up. Today, nearly 100,000 3D printer owners run micro-manufacturing businesses worldwide, and 3D designers have created tens of millions of printable products that are shared and sold through digital marketplaces. 10 million people are a part of this 3D community. Yet, there's still a gap in access, pricing, tech, and knowledge that is keeping manufacturers and designers from growing their businesses into consumer markets. This is a $200 billion opportunity, given the right tool. Meet Cubee, a digital commerce platform based on local manufacturing through 3D printing. We provide manufacturers with a smart, free print shop and designers with the ability to sell printed products anywhere as we automate the cooperation between them. Cubee connects digital designs to local manufacturing and so brings synergy to the 3D community. With our platform, businesses can finally gain affordable access to 3D printing, but more importantly, to infinite products to buy and sell. We're creating a new method of commerce, one where a designer will sell her brand anywhere in the world, and it will always be locally made. A small business will offer unlimited one-of-a-kind products with no need to pre-purchase them or to hold any inventory. And a manufacturer will fulfill the specific needs of his own community. No overseas shipping, no excess production. 15,000 parts have already been made through Cubee, with average manufacturing prices 60% lower than market. Over 300 print shops have opened worldwide, and 2,000 designs are on the waiting list for onboarding, and we're only in beta. Our team is hard at work to hit the market running. Please contact me if you're the right person to help us do that. Thanks.